Welcome everyone, here's how you connect your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons to your iPhone. What's really cool is you can either connect one Joy-Con or both together, and when you connect both together, it acts like one controller. Alright, first of all, on the iPhone itself, you need to be running the iOS 16 software version or later. If you're running any older version of iOS, upgrade to the latest version. From there, I want you to load up settings, and then I want you to find here, Bluetooth, tap on it, and just make sure Bluetooth is on, and you see here now discoverable as, and then your device name. From here, I want you to get whatever Joy-Con you would like, and you're going to see on the side this black button is. So what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold the black button until we see some green LED start blinking here. So we're going to press and hold, 3, 2, 1, don't release. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep on holding. You may need to put quite a bit of pressure. Once you see the screen blinking, you can release the button. From here, you're going to check the iPhone itself. You'll see Joy-Con, and then the Joy-Con it is. This is the left one. We're going to tap into it, and just give this a couple of seconds for the pairing to complete. If for whatever reason the pairing fails, you just need to restart your iPhone, turn off Bluetooth, turn back on Bluetooth, and then repeat the pairing instructions. So we pair the left Joy-Con, now let's pair the right Joy-Con. Before we proceed, if you don't want to pair the right Joy-Con and want the left Joy-Con paired only, you can use this on its own to play games. But let's pair the right Joy-Con, so we're going to do the exact same process. You just want to find the black outline, and you're going to press and hold, same steps, so 3, 2, 1, let's press and hold, keep on holding, now release, and once you see the green, you can now release the button. Let's check the iPhone again, we see Joy-Con R, we'll tap on it, and we'll give it a couple of seconds for the pairing to finish. Okay, so you can now see Joy-Con L and Joy-Con R have been successfully paired to my iPhone. Again, when both Joy-Cons are connected to your iPhone, it acts as one controller. Let me show that now. So I'm going to go to the Minecraft game. And before I proceed, keep in mind, not all games will support the Joy-Cons. But a good example is a Minecraft. Again, if the game doesn't support it, you're just going to have to try another app or game. Just keep in mind, the Joy-Cons are still paired. So you can see, boom, with the D-pad, able to control some of the analog stick. And then if I use the right hand side, if I click on A here, you can see it moved. And if I go back, boom, just like that, you can see everything is working as expected. Alright, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.